Hi guys, my name is Sakina. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So this is a really special video that I've been meaning to do for so long. I thought that I would do this after I gain some subscribers and who would love to know my opinions and all, but I just really wanted to share this video with you because the video of the topic, the topic of the I just said it ulta, I don't know why. The topic of the video is actually the books of Sudha Murthy. Why everyone in this world should give her a try. Why everyone in this world should read this book. And every children especially. I was not really sure that I would upload this video because I really wanted to share how much Sudha Murthy shaped my childhood, and I have really no words to explain how much she means to me. I mean, if she was in front of me, I could have literally hugged her and I would have cried because it was amazing when I read these books. I remember I was in 6th class. It was my summer vacations when I started reading Sudha Murthy's book, and I was so proud of myself. I was so amazed. The writing of Sudha Murthy is for every child in this world. It has the magic of everything. I mean, when you read Sudha Murthy, it's made for kids, so it's really easy to read, I would say that. I mean, I cannot seriously express in words, guys, how much I love Sudha Murthy. And I told you I wasn't sure of making this video because I didn't know कि इस पे views होंगे या नहीं, because I don't think that children would watch this video. But if they do, and if you are a parent or something like that, and if you know your cousin, I would really say कि उनको अभी phone ना दें, और जो 7 to 12 years, 13 years के हैं, उनको please ये book दो. I mean, you cannot imagine how it would change that child's life because it has changed mine. I mean, I would definitely say that Sudha Murthy has helped me a lot in making me really grounded. I mean, she has a lot of input in me. पता नहीं मैं बोल नहीं पा रही. I don't know how to say this in even words because she made me, I would say, because there are the things that Sudha Murthy taught me, but I don't think that anyone would have ever taught me those things. I mean, book से ही पता चला because I didn't had someone at that time. My family was working, and I would definitely say that at that time Sudha Murthy helped me a lot. And it was I just started my new school, so I was really awkward, shy, that kind of person. I still am, I would definitely say. But seriously, Sudha Murthy helped me a lot. I mean, I cannot seriously express in words. She helped me a lot, guys. I mean, I remember the period of me, like I said, reading these books. I would wake up at 6 a.m. I would make myself coffee or something like that, and I would sit in silence and I would read these books. And they were a magic for me. They made me really happy. They created a fantasy for me. For example, The Magic of the Lost Temple is written by Sudha Murthy. It's one of the best books that I have read of her. So in this book, there is a girl called Nooni who is a really grounded person who doesn't like to अपना काम खुद करती है. And that was the character that I really liked. And she has actually taught me कि अपना काम खुद करना चाहिए, लोगों पे depend नहीं करना चाहिए. And she is amazing. The character she wrote was really amazing. I mean, I got really connected as a child, and still I do. For making this video, I personally thought that मैं नहीं चाहती, क्योंकि मैंने 6th में पढ़ी थी, like I said, तो मैं नहीं चाहती कि मैं को भी प्लॉट भूलूं ताकि मैं तुम लोगों को बता ना पाऊं कि तुम ये बुक पढ़ो. तो I would definitely say कि मैंने ये बुक फिर से पढ़ी, and मैं सच में कह रही हूँ that I enjoyed it completely again. मैं फिर से एक बच्ची बन गई थी 12 साल की जो मैं बुक पढ़ रही थी, क्योंकि these books are amazing. So I would definitely say, guys, to please read this. And I would definitely say कि if you know a child, if you know your cousin who is small, and if you are a parent, please, I beg you to not give your child phone. Instead, I'm saying that give them these books. These books will shape them. Seriously, it will shape their character. That's the word. That's the word. Sudha Murthy shaped my character. She made me a really amazing person. She made me who I am. I'm उन्होंने मेरे को बहुत चीजें बनाई. She made me grounded. I would definitely say that. So I would definitely say that if you know someone who is in the age group of 7 to 12, you need to recommend them these books of Sudha Murthy. And she's one of the best authors in India. And I'm a fan of her, and I would definitely say that India is blessed to have her. And the reason of making this video is like I actually like thought that I would not make this video. मैं थोड़ा बाद में बनाऊंगी because I really don't think that people of that age group would watch this video. But when I actually saw a podcast of Sudha Murthy ma'am and Ranbir Ahavadia, he made these amazing videos. He has this amazing podcast for all of us, which are really free. So if you don't know, please check him out. I mean, क्या बोलते हैं, he has motivated me a lot. I mean, he has amazing input in my life. These two amazing beautiful person that I dream to meet have shaped me. So I would definitely say that if you don't know Ranbir Ahavadia, please check his channel out. I would definitely say so. I was saying that I saw a podcast of Sudha Murthy ma'am and Ranbir Ahavadia, then I really thought that I should make this video because I'm a crazy fan of her. And when I saw how amazing as a person she is, I mean, मुझे याद है एक बार वर्ल्ड बुक फेयर में वो दिल्ली में आई थी एंड मैं उसी दिन जाने वाली थी वर्ल्ड बुक फेयर में, बट मैं लेट पहुंची और वो चली गई थी और मेरा दिल टूट गया था सच में, बिकॉज आई रियली लव्ड हर एंड वांटेड हर टू साइन माय बुक्स. आई रियली लव हर एंड व्हेन आई सॉ दैट पॉडकास्ट आई न्यू दैट एज अ राइटर शी वाज अमेजिंग, बट एज अ पर्सन, oh my god, she is an amazing person, and I fell in love with her, and I feel and I love her like a grandmother because मुझे लगता है कि अगर मेरी कोई होती तो वो डेफिनेटली मुझे ऐसे ही चीजें सिखाती जो सुधा मूर्ति मैम ने मुझे सिखाई है. तो I would definitely say that this video is actually really close to my heart. It's really special. I really want everyone to read these books. They shaped me seriously. They made me who I am today. These all books that I read, especially like I said कि ये मैंने 6th class में पढ़ी थी, and these were amazing. They made me go in an imaginary world. They made me really grounded, happy, and more amazing words that anyone could ever think of. She did that for me. So I would definitely tell you that if you know anyone in this world who is a child, please recommend this book to me. phone छीन लो, books दे दो, मैं सच कह रही हूँ, and you will not regret it. I would definitely tell you to recommend them this book. I really love Sudha Murthy. I mean, I love her. I want to meet her seriously. I am a crazy fan of her. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe or share. Thank you so much for watching this video.